Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Just a short video today. I wanted to share a little bit of footage of what goes down during a typical day at the shop. We're working on a Toyota Supra today. Gorgeous vehicle. We're protecting the front from bug splatter, rock chips, stone chips. So we're going to protect it with STEK DYNOshield, clear PPF. And then we are going to do some cosmetic work. The roof is going to get DYNOcarbon from STEK. That is a carbon fiber cosmetic paint protection film. I will close my mouth now, let the video roll, sit back, relax, and enjoy. The front of the Supra is now protected, and as you probably have noticed, there was some minor disassembly with the emblem, the canards, the splitter, some other small pieces to make a much cleaner install so we can wrap the film around as many edges as possible. Time to move on to the roof. After proper prep, we're going to break out the STEK DYNOcarbon. This is a glossed carbon fiber look on a sheet of PPF film, and that's going to go on the entire roof, and that's what they're going to do right now. The film is quickly and easily laid in its place, and all that's really left to do is some trimming. Some final touches, a little bit of post-heating, and the job's done. If you're looking for something similar for your cherished ride, our website is down below in the description box. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Thanks for coming along for the ride today, and we'll catch you in the next video.